On today's Fast Friday, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer your photos from your camera to your phone 3 times faster. Hi everyone and welcome to Pal to Tech. So last week I shot a video on how to speed up your Fujifilm camera's photo transfers to the app. Now I'm playing back that video for you now and I'll explain why I'm doing that at the end of this video. Let's now get right into it. Okay, so now we're going to speed up this camera. And when I say speed up the camera, I'm talking about when it's connected to the app. Remember, you've got now a 40 megapixel sensor, larger file sizes, more heavy file weight to bring from the camera to your smartphone. Inside your network settings, go to Bluetooth smartphone setting and go to the second page. The secret is right here. The camera defaults to 2.4 gigahertz, and most people don't even think about this second page and they just use that. Don't be like them. What you want to do is go right here and change it to 5 gigahertz, okay? So let me show you in real time why this is so awesome. Here we have the Fujifilm app connected right to the X100 I've got 60 high-quality JPEGs, the largest JPEGs that the camera can shoot. Remember, you can't transfer RAW files, only JPEGs to the app. So we're going to transfer 60 of these. When I connect the camera to the app using the 2.4 gigahertz frequency, look at how slow it goes. It's up to 9 minutes and counting. I can't even wait this long. Ditch it. Now, let's switch it to 5 gigahertz. We've got 60 of the exact same images. Everything's the same. The only change I made was I just changed the frequency. That's it. And go. Have a look at this. Look at how much faster it goes. Time remaining, about 3 minutes. That is 1/3 what it took before, and even less as it goes along. You see them? They're just coming in real quick. I won't wait 9 minutes, but I'll do that. That's fine. So set it to 5 gigahertz. Watch those speeds increase by a factor of 3. You're welcome. So before I conclude today's video, I wanted to say a couple of things. First, the X100 camera now works perfectly with the Fujifilm app. So if you don't have the latest firmware for that camera, go ahead and get it, and you should be able to connect to the app just fine. Now, I had previously talked about using the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi transfer speed when I did a video completely covering the Fuji app. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. I cover every single detail of how to use that app. I highly recommend it. And secondly, I shot 2 brand new videos on the X100 camera. So they're there, they're in the can, and they're ready to be edited. Things have been going at 150 speed around here, and Fujifilm released 2 cameras back to back, the X100 and the Instax camera, both of which I made fairly comprehensive videos covering. And to be perfectly honest with you, I need to get out of this area, and I think everyone should take a little bit of time for themselves to recharge, to get their creative ideas flowing, and to get out there and take photos. You know, I talk about camera settings a lot. I want to take some photos. Now, I'm not going to tell you where I'm going. I have this weird superstition because I feel like if I tell you, like right now today, something will happen to screw it up. The flight will get canceled, the bad weather will come in or something, but I promise you, once I get back, I'll tell you all about it. But because I was leaving and because I wanted to get a video out this week, what I decided to do was take one of the X100 videos that I shot, which happens to be on the topic of a bunch of really cool but hidden features on that camera. Now that video is coming. So I took one of those ideas, the way you can speed up, right? Photo transfers from the app to the camera, and I put it in today's Fast Friday because, first of all, it's not just because I'm being lazy, although maybe I am a little, but the other reason is that it actually affects all Fujifilm cameras. And because now we have the X100 out and that's connecting to the app just fine, I wanted to revisit this. I get a little bit off the hook and not having to create another video, and I can get out of here and have fun and go on vacation. The rest of the Fujifilm community can also be reminded that, yeah, this is a very fast and effective way to speed up those photo transfers. So there you go. Well, anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful or at least entertaining. And if you did, be sure to give it the like and subscribe. I am going to be signing off now, but I will see you in a video very soon. Take care.